Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to disable Snapchat account temporarily. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your desired account and then head over to your Snapchat Bitmoji on the top left corner. And from here, go to the settings option right here. And here, if you scroll down, you won't be able to find any option to disable your Snapchat. So what we need to do is just to head over to this help center in support and feedback section. Now you have to write for disable Snapchat account. Now, once you search for it, you can find there are some options for how you can just disable your Snapchat, and you have to head over there and then you can just disable your account. So yeah, this is how you can just disable your Snapchat. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.